But don't get me wrong, my brethren, I love this land. I don't mean to offend, please try to understand. This nation was set forth as a mighty nation under God's plan, but it's falling away, and we can't put our trust in the hands of man. Trust in God, trust in Jesus, our Lamb, the only name given unto men by which we can be saved. It's the 4th of July, and there's fireworks in the sky. It's a warm summer night. It's the same old sight. It's Independence Day, so the people say. But Miss America, she could never really set you free. Freedom comes in your heart, and the place to start, when the lost will be saved, where there's life from the grave.